Welcome back to CarWow 787, your ultimate destination for the most exciting car reviews, future concepts, and deep dives into the next generation of automotive innovation. If you love cars that mix power, performance, and modern design, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because today we're taking a deep look at a vehicle that's changing the pickup game completely. This is the all-new 2026 Peugeot Landtrek, and believe me, it's not just another pickup. It's the perfect combination of European design, smart technology, and rugged power built for the modern world. The 2026 Peugeot Landtrek marks the next chapter in Peugeot's global pickup strategy. It takes everything that made the previous Landtrek impressive and adds a new level of sophistication, strength, and comfort. From the moment you see it, you realize this is not your typical workhorse truck. It's sleek, muscular, and stylish, almost like a luxury SUV that decided to get tough and ready for the wild. Let's start with the design. The front end of the new Landtrek is bold and confident, with Peugeot's signature lion emblem taking center stage on a massive chrome grille. The LED matrix headlights are sharper and more futuristic, giving the truck a commanding presence on the road. The bumper has been redesigned for better aerodynamics and a more aggressive stance, while the hood lines emphasize power and motion. Along the sides, the sculpted panels and wider arches show strength without losing elegance, and at the back, you'll find Peugeot's new light signature, a triple-claw LED taillight that looks both modern and instantly recognizable. In short, the 2026 Landtrek looks like it belongs both in the city and deep in the desert. It's the kind of truck that turns heads whether you're pulling up to a job site or cruising downtown. Let's talk interior. Moving to the interior, Peugeot has done something remarkable. The cabin feels premium, almost like you're inside a European SUV rather than a pickup truck. Soft-touch materials, aluminum accents, and an elegant dashboard layout create an environment that's modern and comfortable. The brand's signature iCockpit layout returns, featuring a compact steering wheel and a digital instrument cluster placed higher for easier viewing. The 12-inch central touchscreen dominates the center console, with crisp graphics and support for the latest Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wireless connectivity. Comfort has been clearly prioritized in the 2026 model. The seats are designed for long journeys, they're plush, supportive, and finished in a mix of leather and durable fabric. Peugeot claims the new sound insulation and improved suspension tuning make the cabin significantly quieter than before. Whether you're driving through rough terrain or cruising on the highway, it feels refined, stable, and confident. Under the hood, the Peugeot Landtrek 2026 gives buyers a few exciting options. The base engine is a 2.4-liter turbocharged petrol unit that produces around 210 horsepower and 320 Nm of torque, strong enough for daily hauling and long-distance adventures. But for those who need real pulling power, Peugeot also offers a 2.0-liter Blue HD turbo diesel variant with 200 horsepower and a solid 450 Nm of torque. Both engines come paired with either a 6-speed manual or a new 8-speed automatic transmission, depending on your trim level. Of course, the Landtrek wouldn't be a true pickup without an advanced 4x4 system. The 2026 model features an updated electronically controlled four-wheel drive setup with improved off-road capabilities. You can easily switch between 2H, 4H, and 4L modes, making it ready for sand, snow, or rocky trails. With a ground clearance of over 235 mm and a wading depth of up to 600 mm, the Landtrek 2026 is engineered to handle the toughest conditions. It's practical yet confident, the kind of truck that can carry your lifestyle anywhere. Let's talk about performance and ride comfort. Peugeot's engineers have worked hard to find the perfect balance between toughness and comfort. The suspension system has been tuned for stability even with heavy loads, and the steering feels more precise than in older models. On the highway, it rides almost like an SUV, smooth and composed, while off-road it delivers impressive traction and control. The chassis rigidity has been improved as well, which means better safety and handling in all driving situations. Speaking of safety, Peugeot has loaded the Landtrek 2026 with advanced driver assistance systems. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, hill descent control, and a 360-degree camera system. There's also automatic emergency braking and traffic sign recognition, giving drivers confidence in every situation. For a pickup truck, this level of technology is really impressive and places the Landtrek right up there with competitors from Toyota, Ford, and Nissan. Now, let's not forget the practicality that every truck buyer cares about. The Landtrek's bed is wider and deeper than before, designed to carry everything from tools to adventure gear. It can handle over 1 ton of payload and tow up to 3.5 tons, making it ideal for both work and weekend escapes. Peugeot has also introduced smart cargo management features, including adjustable tie-downs, bed lighting, and a 12-volt outlet for equipment or accessories. Fuel efficiency has also improved. Thanks to lighter materials and aerodynamic enhancements, the diesel model can achieve an impressive 7 liters per 100 kilometers, while the petrol version remains economical for its class. Peugeot's focus on sustainability means the Landtrek 2026 will also include mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants in select markets, giving customers cleaner, more efficient options without compromising on power. When it comes to pricing, Peugeot aims to make the Landtrek 2026 one of the most value-packed pickups in its segment. It's expected to start at around $35,000 for the base model and go up to around $50,000 for the fully loaded version with all the tech and 4x4 capabilities. That makes it a direct competitor to models like the Toyota Hilux, Ford Ranger, Nissan Navara, and Isuzu D-Max, but with a touch of French flair and refinement that those trucks simply can't match. The driving experience is where Peugeot really shines. The Landtrek 2026 is smooth, confident, and surprisingly agile for its size. The steering feedback is sharp, the suspension soaks up bumps with ease, and the power delivery feels refined and linear. Whether you're towing a trailer, navigating urban streets, or exploring mountain roads, it feels composed and capable. The technology inside enhances every part of the experience. The infotainment system is quick and intuitive, with voice commands and smartphone-like responsiveness. Wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, a premium sound system, and ambient interior lighting make it feel modern and high-end. Even the rear passengers get generous legroom and their own climate vents, making it an excellent family adventure vehicle too. As we wrap up, the 2026 Peugeot Landtrek proves that the pickup segment can be stylish, modern, and intelligent without sacrificing its rugged DNA. It's a truck designed not just to carry weight, but to carry character, blending strength with sophistication in a way only Peugeot could. From its sleek design to its advanced tech and off-road capabilities, the Landtrek 2026 shows that Peugeot means business in the world of pickups. If you're looking for a versatile vehicle that can handle tough jobs while keeping you comfortable, safe, and connected, the Peugeot Landtrek 2026 deserves your attention. It's a global contender with premium flair and practical roots, ready to take on any challenge. Thanks for watching this full review on CarWow 787. If you enjoyed this video and love staying updated on the latest car models, futuristic concepts, and test drives, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments, would you choose the Landtrek 2026 over rivals like the Hilux or Ranger?